Okay, I'm going to demonstrate installing magnetic baggage door catches that replace the existing mechanical catches on your exterior baggage door. These things will actually cover the old area, cover your screw holes with a watertight seal. We'll show you how that installation goes. First thing we do is we got to remove the old one. Remove the screws. You may need a putty knife to pry them off. They should come off fairly easily. Okay, and then you got to clean all this putty off of here from where they were set. Take your knife and clean that putty off of there. And make sure this becomes a nice flat surface. Okay, the next step, you need to grab one of these, a piece of Scotch-Brite to clean it off, rough up the surface and get off any other debris. And now we're going to just test fit this. And we're going to scuff up this area too on the baggage door, where we're going to put the baggage door side magnet. Now that we're scuffed, we're going to use a 50-50 isopropyl alcohol. Clean that off. And now we let it dry completely. Okay, now with the surface prepared and cleaned off and dry, we can now set our magnetic catch. So, we make sure that it's covering the holes. Make sure it's centered on the holes there. I'm going to mark that spot with a pencil. I'm going to remove the sticky tape. And set that in place. Now, test fit that. And I'm going to remove the sticky on the trailer side of the magnet. I'm just going to close the door right over that. Push that tight. And now we've installed our magnetic catch.